What's up? It's Ryder. We got the LCT V4. I don't know what blade shape it is, but I do know Spasmfingers sent me this. I'm guessing for a review. Thank you, Spasmfingers, a lot. It means a lot, but I really appreciate it. So we got the trainer right there. I had the V3. And it had some issues, so I'm hoping he fixed all the issues. I'm not sure which one we have. There's multiple different versions, multiple different blades, but we'll find out. Got these. Pretty sick. Oh yeah, it's right. Okay, you're able to change out the weights, which is pretty sick. I think that's my personal information and stuff. I'm wondering if he sent a sticker this time. Nope. No stickers. That's cool. He left it out. Alright, so favorite color, of course. That is, I didn't know he was gonna send purple, but that's pretty good. I love purple. Okay, I can already tell this is better. What? What is this material? I like this. This is interesting. I'm not sure what material he used, but when he said this was going to be different, he was not lying. Did he change? He changed the hardware. Thank you. It really needed a hardware change. This is really weird. This flip's weird. Oh, got a little sticker right here. Spasmfingers Grosbeak. I probably butchered that really bad. I have never experienced a material like this. What the heck? That's a good balance. If you're wondering, the balance is like a slight handle bias. I've never felt a Balisong like this. So sorry if I'm not speaking much. It's just really interesting. He wasn't lying. It is so different. It's not even the same. Not even the same. Now it definitely feels quite light. Like, this is, I think, lighter than the original one. Chokers feel weird. I'll get used to them though. With this profile being so round over here. But I can already tell you it flips better than the original one. This is definitely really nice. Yeah, I'm getting used to it now. It looks really good too. So far, it's definitely better than the original. I feel like this is more of a a fast flipper though. You can get technical. Huh. Okay, this is interesting. I'll be back. Whoops. Spasmfingers, good job so far. Wow, this is way better. I'm gonna maybe change out the weight, because I'm not sure if this is like lighter or heavier, but good job so far. I'm liking this. Like, dang. All right, so it's been 5 6 days after I made the review, or not review, but the unboxing video. Have my opinions changed a little? So, okay, I switched out the weight. Before, it was 1.4 ounces with the plastic weights. No, way too light, man. No. But after I put in the actual heavy ones, the metal ones, it's good. It's real good. Balance, already better, way better than the last one. The last one was like the heavier weights, but instead of just like 2, there's 4 of them. The old ones felt like there's four of these. So 1, 2, 1, 2 in each handle. Ew, that was horrible. Now this is like, really? This is decent. I'm gonna make a review for this soon. But a few things I have to say is it's a little thin. Like, it's a little thin for me. Not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying it's a little thin. And it's 1.8 ounces right now. I like it to be a little heavier, which if he makes it thicker, it will be heavier. And that'll be good. But overall, it's a really good, actually. A nice handle bias to it. Rollovers are a breeze. They're really easy. Fanning. You could do fanning pretty well on here. Fanning's not that big of an issue. Not at all, actually. It does everything fairly well. Way better than the last one. So that's all I wanted to say, but a big improvement. Definitely big improvement. I'll give more details to its faults in the review, but honestly, it's worth it. It's not that bad. I like it a lot. It's better than a Squiddy. And that's what you want, right? Something better than a garbage Squiddy. So yeah, good job, Spasmfingers. Pretty good.